guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very special for you guys. Trendywigs just sent me a package and we're gonna go ahead and review this together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I really love this color already. Oh my god, this is so nice. I really love the texture of this. It feels really thick. I really love it. I'm so lucky. Okay, what else comes in here? Okay, it also comes with some wig caps, 2 wig caps, a beige one and a black one. And then they sent me some bobby pins. And it also comes with this care instructions on how to take care of your wig. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this on. So okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off some of the lace just for it to not be so noticeable on my forehead. I'm just gonna go along this little hairline. Okay, so I already cut off the extra lace piece. So let's go ahead and put my hair in a bun. I usually like to put my hair in a bun because I feel like this, I don't like to like squeeze my hair all inside the lace. So let's go ahead and open this up to see how we can apply these. I don't wanna look like an egghead in front of you guys. So I try my best to like pull this back to where you can see my hairline, so that way when I apply the wig it doesn't look like it's too fake. Okay, are you guys ready? I was just messing with you guys. Are you guys ready? Ugh. Ooh. Do you guys like the way it looks? It looks pretty, doesn't it? If you guys like how this wig looks on me, you guys can go ahead and visit www.trendywigs.com, and you can also visit them on Instagram at Trendywigs. You can also use my special code JAZZ30. Jazz is spelled J-A-Z-30. Type this code in at checkout for a special discount. So please know, if you live in the US, it does take up to 2 weeks for your wig to arrive, so just be patient. So today's shout out goes to Lady Evolve for always commenting on every picture I put, for always showing love on my YouTube. I really appreciate you. And shout out to Trendywigs for hooking me up. I feel extra flawless. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button. Stay tuned for the next video. Mwah.